today, and guess what? We are a new guy in the town. Literally he's a new guy in the town, and this guy been in media as well. There was a hot gossip about it, and guess what? Who is that? A new kind of a halal fried chicken. That is
Yahoo!
and clear. So it's been in the news, and we thought let's gonna try today. I'm hoping it's gonna be unique taste. It's gonna be a like very, very unique taste from other fried chicken. So we're gonna try today some fried chicken. We're gonna try. I heard a lot of gossip about the rotisserie chicken as well. I'm gonna order that as well. And they introduced a new Mexican burger with the fried chicken. Do you believe? Let's go there and try it, right?
And try Cluck and Cleaver. Yahoo!
Cluck and Cleaver chicken. They are offering the halal option as well. I have a Tracy with me. She's going to tell us about what they are presenting. So give us some introduction, please.
Yeah, so what we do is we make everything in-house from scratch. So we're a little bit different than your average takeout joint because we do everything in-house. So right down to all the sauces, everything are made with whole ingredients, no preservatives in any of our food. We also, all our chicken is certified halal, and all our salads. So everything in the house is halal.
And you guys offer the fried chicken, sandwiches,
yes,
and also some side with potatoes,
yeah,
fries, coleslaw, and guacamole. So the one other thing you told me, you just introduced that the Mexican sandwich. So tell us about what we're doing about that.
So we have a new sandwich called the Pollo Loco. It's a Mexican-inspired chicken sandwich. We make it with our own house blend of 5 Mexican chili spices. We blend those up to dry dust. We dust it on a boneless thigh, and then it's topped with tahini mayo and a cilantro lime slaw.
Awesome. And like you guys can moderate those spices. You can ask us less than more. It's up to you guys.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try that Mexican sandwich today. So thank you very much for giving us that option, and thank you.
You're welcome. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Hope to see you guys in sometime.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
There you go, guys. Look at those colors, man. Wow. Very awesome. Look at those. Rotisserie chicken, Cluck and Cleaver. Wow.
Oh wow!
Are you enthusiastic?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna see what's in the inside. Okay. Okay, people. So, Dia, are you ready?
I'm ready.
To take it out. What we have here? So I have. This is the Mexican burger.
Oh,
look at that!
Wow.
It's a very big piece of the chicken.
Yep.
Then they have some green salad. It seems like there's a mayonnaise as well, and very nice. We'll try in a shortly. And what is inside here? Let's take a look. Oh, it's a quarter quarter rotisserie chicken leg.
Okay.
Wow, look at that.
So, wow.
it's pretty big leg and thigh.
It's looking
Let's
delicious.
we have it. Oh wow! Are you ready?
I'm
Show
ready.
the face. 1, 2, 3. Here you
Oh,
go.
voila.
It's fried chicken, and I'm hoping this is gonna be very tasty, right?
So chicken.
Then I have some hot sauces, some utensils. Oh wow!
Wow.
So which one do you want to try first?
Try first this one.
Rotisserie?
Yep.
Okay. Oh man, look at that, the texture, guys. Like, look at that brownish. Oh man, a bunch of color here. I can see some black pepper, some other spices here, right? Look at that. Let me open this leg. Oh wow. Look at that. It's very crispy. Very
Oh, it's
tender.
looking very crispy.
Yeah, very crispy. Dia,
Yep.
what do you think, ma'am?
It's looking tasty.
Tasty,
Tasty.
Okay, let me try that.
Oh, lovely. I wanna eat it. Yeah.
Let's try this one. That piece.
Thank
The thigh piece.
you.
Oh wow. Very nice. Good, right?
It's good.
It's very good. Moderate spices in it. Moderate salt in it. It's very nice. Okay, so what is the next? It's good?
It's good.
Very good, right? Okay, let me try this fried chicken. It's dark fried, right? You see that? You see that? Yeah, it's dark fried. You can see those pieces, right? Let me tear off. Oh, it's really hot, man. Look at that, man. Wow. It's very hot. Oh shoot, I can't tear off, man. Oh, it's really hot, right?
Yeah.
Oh man. Oh wow. I'm not sure how I'm gonna eat it, right? And you know, I forget one thing. I ordered the cold drinks, but I didn't bring it in, right?
Okay.
So I have to pick up that drink as well. Look at that, the color. Dark brown color, man. Wow. Right. So let me try that.
How it is?
It's really different chicken, guys. I eat Popeye chicken, I eat other chicken as well. But the taste of, I can feel the garlic in it.
Oh, garlic.
Yeah, I can feel the garlic, guys. It's very good, very nice. And for sure, this chicken has a different taste, a unique taste. So you guys should come here and taste it, man.
Yeah.
You want to try?
Give me, please.
Wow. It's very hard. It's very hard. Hold on, dear. It's very hard.
No, it's good.
Try the crust as well. A little bit. Right? It's a different taste, right?
Yeah,
We
garlic
never had that
taste.
taste before, right? Oh wow. For sure, it's got a unique taste.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the Mexican sandwich they just introduced. Look at that package.
Yeah.
Wow. It's a very big sandwich. Alright. I'm not sure how hard it is, but I'm gonna try it. Mexican sandwich, new product
Yeah.
for the Cluck and Cleaver chicken. Oh wow. It's tangy taste as well.
Oh,
I can see
it's
kind of
spicy?
it's not lemon, but sour taste is a very nice taste.
And what's about spice?
Unique as well. Spike is okay because I asked them to put a moderate spice. When you eat, you're gonna eat and slowly it's gonna a little bit rust chili in your mouth, right? Now I can feel slowly it's putting more spice in my mouth. But it's very good, very nice. I never had that taste before, guys. You have to try it. Yeah, you wanna try it?
I will try later.
Okay.
And
Well,
let's
I wanna take one more bite.
let's
Very good.
our viewers know here's the summer going on in Calgary, Canada, and we are sitting outside of the restaurant and enjoying our this yummy chicken.
Very nice, very good. So to visit here, the good thing is they have the halal option.
Yep.
You guys can come here, order the halal. We are sitting in the patio, so that's why you have a lot of noise in the background. So sorry for that, but that's it. So for the patio. So our visit is very beautiful. It's good. It's awesome chicken. You guys come to here and taste this halal chicken. And thank you very much.
Guys,
for,
must visit this
Yeah.
place.
Yeah, and thank you very much for watching our channel. Please subscribe and appreciate us. It's going to be free subscription for you, but it's going to be appreciation for us because we're doing very hard work. So please subscribe, share, and thumbs up our all videos.
And leave your comments as well, guys.
Drop up your comments, please. It's very important. And thank you very much, Leah.
Thanks for watching. Bye.